coarser grit sandpaper. That's only 320. That's not going to get out those scratches. So let's try to lower down to maybe 120 or 220, somewhere in there. Doesn't have to be Team fucking Nympho Boyd though. Take pictures for those of us that can't be there. Yeah, for sure, for sure. I can't say anything right now, but there is a possibility of a very, very special stream whenever we go visit Sasaki in California. So it's looking like a good chance at this point. So I'm super excited about it. I will definitely let you guys know more soon, but we could be having a really cool possibility soon, and that's going to be happening in early October. So yeah, very cool possibility that is in the works right now with myself and Sasaki. Janie and King will be at TwitchCon. Yeah, that's right, Charmed. Yeah, I was talking with Janie this morning about it. She's been streaming in the mornings now. But yeah, that's gonna be super cool. She named off quite a few people who she knew who were going. So I didn't know most of them, but yeah, it'll be great to meet up with some new people and see what's going on. Jabberwocky is here. What's up, Jabberwocky? I think I saw that you got a gifted sub earlier, so congratulations on winning the lottery. Okay, not maybe the lottery you're really hoping for, but hey, a gift sub is a gift sub, so welcome in, Jabberwocky. How was your Tuesday been so far? Trying to get out some of these scratches here. I definitely scratched it trying to remove that tape on the inside. Yeah, I can't remember. It was probably one of Miss May's, I would guess. One of Miss May's gift subs, so. Ah! Oh, so much sanding. Man, my poor monitor over here is wobbling like crazy. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Pretty good, Jabberwocky. Pretty good. We've just been yeah, trying to work on some more boxes today. So we've got both of them heading in the right direction. They're not getting to the inline as quickly as I would like, but we're learning, you know. This is a learning process on how to both make these boxes without making mistakes, and then if you do make mistakes, how do you fix them and